Sheikh, is IH permissible to get? Is it permissible to get 2 or 3 piercings on your ear? There's no harm in that, but what is your purpose behind it? Why do you want to have it? Do you want to look more beautiful? Or you want to, attract the opposite sex that they will look at you? Or you want to follow imitating and copying the non-Muslims? Then all these 3 things are there, then it's not permissible. But generally for your own self, yes, you can pierce the whole ear if you want to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4 piercings can be done, but the intention should be there, and intention defines whether it is permissible or not. Alhamdulillah.